Viral sitting trick. Lose belly fat in just minutes a day. It sounds almost unbelievable, but there is one simple sitting trick that is going viral right now, and people all over the world are using it to melt belly fat in just minutes a day. No gimmicks, no expensive gym memberships, no complicated equipment. Just you, a regular chair, and a few minutes of your time. And what's even more exciting? It fits perfectly into your daily routine. Whether you're working at the office, studying, or just relaxing on the couch in the evening, this trick can slot right in. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step. You'll learn why it's so effective, how you can start today, and I'll even share a bonus hack at the end that can literally double your results. So stick with me all the way through. And if you're into simple, real-life fat-burning tips like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out. Because trust me, the next tricks I'll be sharing are game changers. Let us be real. Belly fat is one of the toughest challenges when it comes to losing weight. You might start eating healthier. You might even see your arms or legs slim down a little, but that stubborn belly fat, it just hangs around, and that's frustrating. You put in the effort, you watch what you eat, maybe you even squeeze in a workout or two. But when you look in the mirror, your midsection still feels the same. Many people even start thinking, maybe this is just the way I am. But here's the truth. You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with belly fat. And it's not just about appearance, it also affects confidence, energy levels, and even long-term health. The bigger problem? Our modern lifestyle. We sit more than ever before. Studies show the average person sits over 7 hours a day. At work, during commutes in front of the TV, our bodies are basically parked. And when you sit for long stretches, your metabolism slows down, your calorie burn plummets, and your body stores fat, especially around the belly. And here's the kicker. Most advice out there is hard to stick to. Spend an hour in the gym every day? Not realistic for everyone. Cut out all carbs forever? That's a recipe for failure. This is why simple, everyday tricks are so powerful. Instead of overhauling your entire life, you make small, smart adjustments. The sitting trick does exactly that. It takes something you already do, sitting, and flips it into an opportunity to burn fat instead of storing it. So how does sitting suddenly become a fat-burning opportunity? Great question. Here's the deal. Sitting itself isn't magic. It's about what you do while you're sitting. Normally, sitting means your muscles are relaxed, your energy burn is low, and your body is on standby mode. That's why you feel sluggish after long hours in a chair. But if you engage your muscles in the right way, even while sitting, your body flips the switch from rest mode to active mode. And once your muscles start working, your metabolism kicks up, your calorie burn rises, and your body begins to use stored energy, including fat. Think of your body like a fireplace. If you leave it alone, the fire dies down. But even a little poke with a stick, a bit of oxygen, and suddenly the flames jump back up. That's what this trick does. It stirs the fire. And don't worry, I'm not talking about anything extreme or embarrassing. No one in the office is going to look at you funny. These are small, controlled movements that are easy to do, but they trigger a surprisingly big effect. The best part? You don't need extra time. You can do this trick while you're already sitting at your desk, while watching Netflix, or even while scrolling on your phone. Just a few minutes here and there add up fast. In fact, if you do just 3 sets of this trick each day, that's maybe 6 to 9 minutes total, you'll be stacking hours of extra calorie burn every month. And over time, that can be the difference between staying stuck and finally losing that stubborn belly fat. So let me break it down for you, step by step. Step 1. Sit tall, slide to the edge of your chair. Plant your feet flat on the ground. Sit up straight, shoulders back. This already engages your core muscles. Step 2. Engage your core. Pull your belly button gently toward your spine. Keep breathing. Feel that tension? That's your deep abdominal muscles, the very ones that flatten your belly. Step 3. Leg lifts. One at a time, lift your right foot a few inches off the floor. Hold it for 2 seconds, then lower it. Switch to the left leg. Do 12 to 15 reps per side. Step 4. Double leg lift now for the challenge. Lift both legs together just a few inches off the ground. Hold 2 to 3 seconds, then lower. Aim for 8 to 10 reps. Step 5. Side twist variation. While holding your legs up, gently twist your torso left and right. This lights up your obliques, The muscles on your waistline. Step 6. Keep it short and sweet 2 to 3 sets a day, 2 to 3 minutes each. That's it. Why does this work? Muscle activation. Your abs, legs, and even your back are engaged. More muscles equals higher calorie burn. Core training strengthens the exact area where fat builds up. Metabolism boost. Even small bursts of activity wake up your metabolism. Better posture. Bonus benefit, your back and posture improve. Real life story one viewer shared with me. I started doing the sitting trick during Zoom calls. Just a few minutes here and there. After a month, I noticed my pants fit looser and I wasn't slouching as much. I didn't change anything else. Just added this one thing. That's the beauty. It's realistic and it works. If you want to turbocharge the results, here are some add-ons. 1. Cold water boost. Drink a glass of cold water before doing the trick. Your body burns energy warming it up. 2. Coffee hack. Have a cup of black coffee 30 minutes before. Caffeine naturally boosts fat burning. 3. Protein snack. Follow up with a protein-rich snack, like Greek yogurt or nuts. Protein preserves muscle, which raises your resting metabolism. 4. Mini challenges. Tie the trick to habits. For example, do one set every time you check your phone or send an email. Little things add up. 5. Breathing technique. Breathe deeply into your belly while doing the moves. This strengthens your diaphragm and makes your abs work harder. 6. TV time trick. Do the moves during commercial breaks or while binge watching. You won't even notice the time pass. These hacks don't take extra time, they just fit into your life. And combined, they can double the impact. And that is it, the viral sitting trick that burns belly fat in just minutes a day. It's simple, it's doable, and it's something anyone can start right now. You don't need to flip your entire life upside down. You don't need fancy equipment or a strict diet plan. Just consistency. 2 or 3 times a day, give your body a little nudge. Over time, those nudges add up, and that's when you start seeing the changes. Now, I want to hear from you. Try this trick today and tell me in the comments how it feels. Did you notice your abs working? Do you feel more awake afterward? Share your story. Your experience could motivate someone else to start. And don't forget, in my next video, I'll reveal the secret coffee trick that melts belly fat even faster. You do not want to miss that one. So if you haven't already, hit subscribe, tap the bell, and I'll see you in the next video.